Hello PT aspirants, I am Shobit Tandon, the Master Trainer of PT Academic Exam. Here today we will discuss about the template to gain 79 plus in the PT Academic Exam. So in this template you are seeing a bar graph right now. So for how to develop a template of the bar graph, so in this video you will get the timer and its practice answer also. So I would like to suggest you that first we should focus on the highest value of the task. What is the highest value is here? That is in India, what you are seeing here in India. So you can see that highest is in the period of 2010 and it is approximately less than 90, that may be 88%. So highest value is for the India during the period of 2010, it stands for the 88%, right? Now, after focusing on the highest value, we should seek for the lowest. So what is the lowest? Is this the lowest? No, this is the lowest one. So the lowest one is in the China during the same period, 2010, and the value is 50%. So the highest is in India. Then you can say the first is highest in India. Second is followed by that and that. What is the followed by? This is the followed by, and then lowest is this one. And after depict, so you can see that in these statements, so the highest, followed by, and lowest, we have at this approximately 75% of the information. Then what is remaining here that we can depict in the our last sentence. So in this image now, you will get the time 25 seconds for the preparation, and after the 25 second you will get timer for the 40 second for the presentation, and after that you will get is a model answer also with a template. So in the template you will see that these templates are depicted with black and red color. So what are printed in black color, though the statement you should cram, and the red color are always you have to change always. So here just see the first sentence I am depicting, or I will depict about this one first. Then after that we will talk about the highest, then followed by, then the lowest, then the lowest. This is the third one, and after the remaining. Now, now the next one like here. So what the information in the black color I have suggested you, though you are requested to note down on a paper and cram it. And the red color you have to change in your exam. So how to, so uh, first note down the black color statement on a paper and cram it. Then do the practice with this image while observing that how to change the information given in the red color. Okay. Now, happy preparation. And if you have any confusion, then you can join my online classes also. Okay. I would like to most welcome your doubts. Thank you.